Good afternoon, everyone. We're flying at 26,000 feet, moving up to 30,000 feet, and we got clear skies all the way to Las Vegas. And right now we're bringing you some in-flight entertainment. One of our first-class passengers would like to sing you a song inspired by one of our coach passengers. And since we let our first-class passengers do pretty much whatever they want, here he is.
I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad, carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches, build you a fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink, put you to bed when you've had too much to drink. Or I could be the man who grows old with you. I wanna grow with you. Itong awiting ito ay alay sa'yo, sintonado man tong mga pangako sa'yo. Ang gusto ko lamang makasama kang tumanda. Patatawanin kita pag hindi ka masaya, bubuhatin kita pag nirayuma ka na. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Ibibili ng balot pag mahina ng tuhod, ikukuha ng gamot pag sumakit ang likod. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Sasamahan kahit kailanman, mahigit kumulang di mabilang. 30 araw sa isang buwan, umabot man tayo sa 3,001. Magmukha mang buha pagising sa umaga, pupunasan ko pa ang muta mo sa mata. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Paglalaba pa kita matapos mamalansya, kahit abut-abutin man ako ng pasma. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Sasamahan kahit kailanman, mahigit kumulang di mabilang. 30 araw sa isang buwan, umabot man tayo sa 3,001. Loves na loves pa rin kita kahit bumi-bumi ka na. Para sa akin ikaw pa rin ang pinakamaganda. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. At nangangako sa'yo pag sinagot mong oo, iaalay sa'yo buong puso ko. Sumang-ayon ka lamang kasama ka.